Get excited about the 2020 Jeep Wrangler. Top features include air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, power moonroof, a trailer hitch, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.